Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty cool way to rock and add head rotations into your rocking, or I wanted to show you a cool way to move your body. All right, so typical rocking is back and forth, and if we were going to do head rotations, we could do them up front, or we could do them in the back. And a lot of good things happen when we get on all fours and we rock back and forth and do head rotations, like we restore our posture, we also activate our vestibular system, and we lubricate our joints. So those are all good things. But what I wanted to show you this week is we're going to sit back in the rocking position, and we're gonna take one of our forearms down to the floor so that our rib cage is now on or flush with our thigh, and we're gonna try to keep our rib cage there while we look over our opposite shoulder like we're trying to look at our back pocket. So what I'm really trying to say is we're going to do a head rotation while we try to keep the rib cage attached to our thigh until it just won't stay there. It looks like this. And then now my other rib cage, my opposite side, is now on my left thigh. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna look over my right shoulder, keeping my rib cage glued to that thigh. And then I'm gonna come over. So, notice how my forearms come into contact with the floor and come up. So what's happening is, and you have to kind of feel this, but my rib cage is sliding against my thigh and coming off. And then the rib cage is sliding against the other thigh and coming off. So it makes this kind of like serpentine motion throughout your spine. So I'll try to show this from the side. And this may be one that you just have to play with. So here we go again. In the rocking position, sitting back in the bottom position. Drop the forearm to the ground so that your rib cage makes contact with your thigh. And then we're gonna look over the shoulder, come to the other side, look over the shoulder, come to the other side. And that's it. So why would you want to do this? One, it feels cool, but two, man, it really mobilizes your spine. You may get some like Rice Krispies, nooks and crannies start. Anyway, it feels good, and it's just another way you can move to activate your vestibular system, lubricate your joints, tie your body together. It's good for your posture, and it's good for you, because if you move in all the ways you're designed to move, well, then you're probably a very good, healthy mover, and you probably feel pretty daggone good about yourself, and your body feels great. And I'm just rambling now. Anyway, give that a shot. Tell us what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.